Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi, legal intern from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. I hope you like my previous video. Please like, share, comment on my videos and subscribe our channel for getting latest updates. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the topic Animal Welfare Board of India. In this topic, I will cover the 12 provisions of the Act of the Animal Welfare Board of India. So let's start our video. Animal Welfare Board of India. The Animal Welfare Board of India was set up under Section 4 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, 59 of 1960 on 19th March 1962. The Animal Welfare Board of India is the main act that covers the animal cruelty and the cruel behaviors on animals. As per the Section 9, the main functions are described into 12 provisions that are embedded in the Animal Welfare Board of India. The first provision, to keep the law in force in India for the provision and the prevention of cruelty to animals under constant study and to advise the government on the amendments to be undertaken in any such law from time to time. Second provision, to advise the central government on the making of rules under the Act with a view to preventing unnecessary pain or suffering to animals generally, and more particularly when they are being transported from one place to another, or when they are used as performing animals, or when they are kept in a captivity or confinement. Third provision, to advise the government or any local authority or other persons on improvement in design of vehicle as to lessen the burden on draught animals. Provision 4, to take all such steps as the board may think fit for the amelioration of sufferings of animals by encouraging or providing for the construction of sheds, water troughs, and the like, by providing for veterinary assistance to the animals. Provision 5, to advise the government or any local authority or the person in charge in the design of slaughterhouses or the maintenance of slaughterhouses in connection with the slaughter of animals, so that unnecessary pain or sufferings, whether physical or mental, is eliminated in the pre-slaughter stages as far as possible, and animals are killed whenever necessary in a manner as possible. Provision 6, to take all such steps as the board may think fit to ensure that unwanted animals are destroyed by local authorities whenever it is necessary to do so, either intentionally or after being rendered insensible to pain or sufferings. Seventh provision, to encourage by the grant of final assistance or otherwise the formation or establishment or pinjra poles, rescue homes, animal shelters, sanctuaries, and the likes, where animals and birds may find a shelter when they have become old and useless or when they are need protection. Eighth provision, to cooperate with and to coordinate the work of associations or bodies established for the purpose of preventing unnecessary or sufferings to the animals or for the protection of animals and birds. Ninth provision, to give financial and other assistance to animal welfare organizations functioning in any local area to encourage the formation of animal welfare organizations in any local area shall work under the supervision and guidance of the board. 10th provision, to advise the governments on matters relating to medical care attention which may be provided in animal hospitals and give financial and other assistance to animal hospitals whenever the board thinks necessary. 11th provision, to impact to educate in relation in the human treatment of animals and to encourage the formation of public opinion against the inflict of unnecessary pain or sufferings to animals. 12th and the last provision, to advise the government or any matter connected with the animal welfare or the prevention of infliction of unnecessary pain sufferings on animals. Now we discuss the conclusion. The number of animal welfare organizations which have been granted recognition by the Animal Welfare Board of India is 3,596. The details, including the names of such cow shelters, state-wise, year-wise, and granted aided released during the last 5 years under the scheme of regular grant of operation under the scheme for construction of animal shelter homes. I hope you understand the Animal Welfare Board of India and the provisions. Thank you so much. Please like, share, comment on my video and subscribe our channel for getting latest updates. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.